Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Today, I'm going to share how the R.W.FLAME 60-inch electric fireplace has ignited a super warm and cozy environment in our home. Our home plan didn't include a fireplace, so when we found something electric that could be wall-mounted, we knew it would be perfect to add that little bit of warmth to our living space. The dimensions and style of this model fit in perfectly with our existing furniture and television size. The profile of the fireplace is really slim, so even though it's not recessed into the wall, it blends in seamlessly. One of the perks of an electric fireplace is that you have full control of the appearance of your fire. Whether I'm using the touchscreen or remote control, it's really easy to toggle between the colorful options of the flame bed and also to change the color of the flames themselves. I like to use the neutral tones on a day-to-day basis. For a movie night, those darker green and blue colors are really great to keep the space a little darker. The heating mechanism operates really quietly and is perfect for taking the chill out of the space without drying the air. The R.W.FLAME electric fireplace encompasses the perfect blend of style, convenience, and comfort. It has truly enhanced our living space with the warmth and beauty we were looking for. And that's my point of view.